Hello, this is Cameron doing a proof video for one of our videos posting. We offer trade lines, over 400 trade lines for Social Security profiles and CPN numbers, posting weekly. This is one of our lines here. The client bought it. Is a Barclays 31,000, open up 2019, authorized user revolving. This is as of February 21st, 2022. So I'd just like to show our trade lines to people, show people that are really posting. A lot of clients have been scammed out there, but we want to make sure we do good business and we show proof of our postings. All of our lines are 100% guaranteed posting or money back, or give you another trade line. Again, we've been doing this now for about 8 years. We have a good reputation. You can sign up to our list at tradelines.biz. It's tradelines with the S.biz, or call us at 202-213-2218. We do also offer free consultation, which is what very few people do that. Sometimes you may not need a trade line. For example, if you have a lot of accounts, 10, 12, 13 accounts, a trade line might not give you the boost that you want. So again, you want a free consultation. We can review your profile so you're not wasting your money in buying trade lines willy-nilly. So again, call us. Our list, tradelines.biz. Numbers 202-213-2218. I believe this particular Barclays costs $500. It is a high limit, but we also have older cards. We have 30-year Discover cards, 28-year Citibanks. We have a lot of variety of trade lines. And I'm constantly preaching to get older lines for boost. Not so much high limit, but older lines. Because older lines, it pulls in the age of the profile, increases the age, but it also pulls in the payment history. Now you're looking at about 35% of your profile, which give you a nice boost when you buy these old trade lines. But anyway, call us for more information and we can explain more to you how these work. Have a great day.